popular siya dito sa sa Bohol, the peanut kisses, also itong broas. Ayan, so these are the things that you can try and you can indulge once in a while. Hindi naman sinabing maya't-mayain mo siya. So we're still teaching about how you can do flexible dieting. You still get to enjoy everything available to you, pero in moderation. So how are we going to earn recipe? So actually, last night I was able to create na, ayan no. So this is our tiramisu inspired dessert. So using the Herbalife shake and together with the yung mga sinabi ko kaninang delicacies here in Bohol. Ayan, so ready na ba kayo? Okay, so basically here in the hotel we have coffee sticks. Okay, so ayan po. So di ba to, basically wala rin naman siyang calories. So I prepared the coffee, okay, without any sugar. So yan po yung base. So as you know, tiramisu po, meron siya talagang coffee. And usually, we make it with lady fingers. So ito po siya. We have the broas, okay? Pero meron yan, yung tiramisu, most of the time, meron siyang cream-based na for the layering. So doon pumapasok yung Herbalife, natin, concoction natin. So I have here a glass, okay? Okay, I also have here coffee-flavored soy milk. You can use actually a plain soy milk or the milk of your choice. So it's the same as preparing your morning shake. Okay, so yung susobra dito, you can still drink it as your shake. Kasi parang lang natin to eh. Parang icing in a way. Okay, so I have here my coffee soy milk. And also, to make it a bit rich, kasi it's a dessert naman. So we're going to add in a bit of your all-purpose cream. Pero syempre, konti lang siya kasi 20 ml of this cream is about 54 calories na agad. So not the whole, not the whole packet. So make it, kasi nga dessert naman siya. Mix it up. And now, we add in our Herbalife Formula 1 shake. So, di ba ang cute? Nakalagay siya in sachet form. Pwede nyong bitbitin kahit saan. So, ang isang packet po, ang isang sachet, is katumbas nung 2 scoops po ninyo in a canister. So, let's just add it ito sa mixture natin. Di ba po, malapit na yung holidays. Tapos, yan nga, nakita nyo, meron na tayong promotion for the Christmas, no? So, since this is our refrigerated cake, pwede nyo siyang gawin for the holidays. Pwede nyo siyang gawan ng holiday spin. Ayun. So, in advance, pwede na nating, Tapos, excited ako to share with you sa mga susunod na sessions. Yun nga, what are the things you can gift your clients? Diba? Kasi malapit na po yung holiday. Sometimes we want to make it more personal. Diba? Sometimes gusto natin i-express through cooking or preparing something. So, we have recipes for that po. So, abangan niyo yun. Yeah. So, mapapansin niyo na siya. Medyo thick na siya. Ayun. So, pwede mo siyang gawing mas thick by refrigerating it muna bago mo i-build yung gagawin nating layered cake. Okay, pero this one will also do. Anyone sa inyo in the audience, meron na bang gumawa ng refrigerated cake using the Herbalife shake? Meron na ba sa inyo? Okay, so ayan. That's the mixture. So I have here the coffee, I have here the chocolate mixture. So pwedeng instead of adding cream, You can add in yogurt, pero dito kasi sa island, medyo nahirapan ako to look for yogurt. So that's your alternative pa. Okay. Yan. Now, we're gonna build the dessert. So, very simple lang siya. I have here the broas. So, first time ko nakatikim ng ganitong broas kasi maliliit lang siya. Okay? So, what we're going to do is i-dip natin yung broas dito sa coffee natin. So, again, this is just black, no added sugar. So, we're considering na the broas is already sweet and then the shake is also sweet na. So, we're not going to add in more sugar. So, para lang hindi maging soggy yung broas, all you need to do is to dip half nung broas. So, hindi mo dapat i-dip yung buong thing. Ayan siya, parang half lang. And then, you lay it out sa, yan, sa, ano yung tawag doon? Pwede mo ilagay sa Tupperware, pwede mo ilagay sa, make it easier. So, you can dip it, pwede mo din parang smother mo lang. Pero make sure that it goes only to the half of your lady fingers. Half lang. So, kunyari, no, i-serve mo siya sa bisita mo na hindi pa nag-Herbalife. Hindi naman niya mapapansin na Herbalife yun. Magugulat pa siya na may hinalo kang Herbalife shake dun sa dessert niya. So, Coach, pwede din bang ibang cookie? Yes, pwede din bang ibang cookie. So, here I have 3. And then, I'm gonna add in the chocolate mixture. So, pag tinanong nyo, pwede din bang ibang flavor? Dulce de leche, vanilla shake. Pwede din naman. Pero, for this one, parang I'm going for a mocha flavored dessert. Ayun. Kaya, chocolate. Then, you just have to add it in dun sa ibabaw. Try to make it nicely. Okay. So, after that, you can add in another layer. So, it's the same process. Lagay mo lang yung coffee and the lady fingers. Okay, same process. I-build ko lang. You can do it alternately, you know, to make it nice. Actually, for this one, pwedeng, dahil ano lang siya, no, sweet treat lang siya, pwede mo siyang gawin na few layers lang. If you're gonna share it with the family, you can make it like 3 to 4 layers kasi i-share mo naman. Pero if it's a personal dessert, pwedeng isang, mga dalawang layers lang will do. Ayun. So, we add in more of the chocolate mixture. Yan. So, ito po pala, again, it's another recipe na para po sa mga may pasensya. Bakit? Kasi, even though ibinild mo na siya, hindi mo pa siya kakainin straight away. Later pa po, kasi ref cake nga siya. So, hihintayin muna natin na lumamig po yung ating mixture. Ayun. So, wait lang po. Ayan. Can you still hear me? Okay. So, now, we're going to add in our peanut cookies on top. So, konti lang po to, no? Parang ano lang to. Toppings lang. You know, to make it, you can add in your nuts, your almonds kung gusto ninyo. Ayan. So, basically, konti lang yung nagamit natin na shape, pero you can actually make for the whole, for the whole family na yun. So, this is how it will look like. Ayan, kita po ba? Ayan. So, ganito po siya. Okay? So, maganda niyan, ilalagay natin siya sa fridge. Tapos, you will wait until lumambot yung lady fingers. So, magiging texture niya is like this. Ayan. Ayan. So, naka-prepare na siya. Kagabi pa, just gonna add in the peanut cookie on top. Ayan, parang ano lang din. Ayan. So, there you have it. Okay, as simple as, yan. So, papakita ko sa inyo it will become very soft. Ayun. So, nakikita nyo ba yan? Ayan, no? So, is this something that you will recreate at home? Kaya titikman ko para sa inyo, guys. Promise, para kang kumakain ng mocha cake. Ayan po siya. So, that's it, you guys. That's all for today.